Hi, welcome to this video update, which is all about our Forex trading courses and in particular trading courses in technical analysis. Lots of traders want to learn about charts, how to read them, then obviously have a proven strategy that gives them an edge that will help them make money longer term in the Forex markets. Now, in terms of buying a course, I'm going to go through a little checklist you should follow in terms of choosing a course. But I will make one point before we go to the checklist, which is you can actually learn everything you want about technical analysis for free. It's all there online. The problem a lot of beginners have is obviously you've got to put it all together. You've got to do your research, come up with the strategy, make sure it's got an edge, and then basically trade it. That takes time. Okay. So many traders want a ready-made course. Now, what I'd say in terms of buying a technical analysis course is avoid any courses that say that there's a repetitive pattern that always works, which you just simply apply without thought or any of your judgment. Okay, the markets don't move to mathematical order or some mystical pattern. That should be obvious because humans are unpredictable. It's a probability based market, so avoid those, and also avoid all the pretty pattern courses. When I say pretty patterns, I mean things like Fibonacci, lots of Fibonacci lines, Gartney patterns, Elliott wave. They don't work. They're way too intricate, and they've just got too many elements in them. There's too many levels. They always talk about meaningless levels. They pay too much attention to historical order, and of course the order that is seen can only be seen in hindsight. Okay, so avoid those sorts of courses. I basically focus on courses that offer simple technical analysis based around trading the reality of price. And I'm stressing the word simple here. Never ever buy advanced trading courses. You very often see this. You get, a beginner's course, then an intermediate one, then an advanced one. Well, Forex trading, the more advanced you make a strategy, the more likely it isn't going to work. Why? Because, of course, you've got too many elements to break in it again. It needs to be very, very simple, okay? Now, another thing that you should look for when you're buying a course is just see if the vendor will give you examples of his trades in real time. Okay, and very, very few will. And the reason for this is, of course, they don't trade. They just read a load of textbooks, take a load of knowledge from it, and basically just bombard people with lots of, basic education, but with no real strategy. Okay, so you learn a lot, but how do you put it all together? Now, if a trader doesn't give you his trades, his entry, his stop and his target in advance, so you can judge if he can trade the techniques he's teaching himself, don't even bother buying the course. Why would you? Because if someone is saying something works, why can't they prove it? I mean, it should be obvious in my view, but a lot of traders fall for people doing bank tests or hindsight trading. Don't fall into that trap. 90% of courses, I would say, or even more, are sold by marketing companies. They're not sold by traders. Now, for example, we would sell a course, okay? But we would say, okay, here's our course. We believe the techniques work, but we'll give you our trades every single day in advance so you can see how we trade the techniques and how profitable we are with them. Okay, you're going to want to do your own thing, but you surely would want to know that I could trade the techniques that I teach. Now, in terms of cost, how much should you pay? I would say around $150 to around $300. But you don't need to pay any more than that. There's courses that cost that amount of money from real traders, which are really good education. Okay, and you see a lot of courses they can cost $1,000 or more. Traders buy them. They're not even from real traders. You can see it when you read the marketing material. Don't believe in the guru, the mathematical order of prices or the secrets that they've discovered. There are no secrets. Any technical analysis even should be very, very simple, should be very robust, okay, the strategy should be based on trading the reality of price as it is right now, not looking too far backwards at meaningless levels. Only big levels matter, okay? So when you're choosing a technical analysis course, I would say, make sure that basically you focus on probability-based strategies. They're simple. You don't pay too much money for them. You pay a reasonable cost, okay? And also that the vendor will actually trade their own techniques and also give you a risk-free trial. So, for example, we would give a risk-free trial of 60 days. If people don't think we can trade our techniques or they don't even like the technical analysis we do, they just have their money back. I think most reputable vendors like ourselves would do that. Right, that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me. Take care. Have a good day.